Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mac. This video I will show you how to move the optical fiber from the factory head unit to new power cable. This is the power cable for Android screen. Okay, you see here, this is factory power cable. These two cables is optical fiber. Here you can see here. Before move the optical fiber, you need to move the optical fiber to the right hole here. This move from this port should be to this one. Only this port. Then that is correct. And you need to notice the directions here. Okay, I move it. There's a locker here. Take it out. And move the correct one. Should be these two holes. So this one. Right? That is correct one. And then connect to the head unit. And the factory power connector connect to the Android connector here, just like this. Then the optical fiber will continue to work for the radio head unit. If you don't move it connect to this port, then that is wrong. It will not work. Thank you.